Hey, any, mini, money, mo. Catch a baddie by hip, she already know it's time to go. Baby, give me spits and now I know she sticking to the code. Shorty see I'm lit and now she bouncing up and down the pole. Damn, this all for me, I'm feeling special, this my birthday song.
No, y'all hate to see it. Oh, look at y'all doing the same thing. Y'all twins? All right. Where are we going? Oh, shit. Y'all, they got me in the mall today, y'all. Sucking out this place.
Oh, shit! Say it again. Say something else. Oh! Say something else. Say something else, nigga.
I came to the mall for myself. Not the Tiger. Come on, Tiger.
Gosh, you can take a little soap.
Oh, yeah? There's a sample? Oh, you can wash your hands? You can wash your hands with a little soap?
Yeah, go take one. You take one?
No, I put some hand sanitizer on.
Go take one.
You want me to take one?
And you're welcome.
Yeah. She said to take one.
What do I do with it after?
I guess you keep it. Me, I love to wash my hands. Oh, that soap smells good as hell, bruh. I think it was mine. This green one over here. Eileen over here stealing the soaps, y'all.
Hi, guys.
She's stealing the soaps. She said, hi, guys. This is the most she ever spoke in her whole life, I tell y'all. Oh, snap. Ah, snap. Yeah, that one looks fire, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like so many people handcrafted these themselves, like today. Like, we just made these and put them out. Just put it in the bag, Eileen. Just put it in the bag. Let me smell it.
You didn't even look out in the camera. You trying?
Oh, you want me to smell it with the camera? It smells like cinnamon and vanilla.
Oh, it do smell like cinnamon. Maybe I don't like that. Cause look, it said oat milk, coconut, and cocoa butter. And I'm like, that's
I
cool.
do smell coconut.
No, now I smell that cinnamon candy. Why would he do that to me?
It do smell like
It
cinnamon.
smells like Play-Doh.
Yo, I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to ruin it.
Oh,
I knew if I said that, she wasn't gonna want it no more.
I just said I hate Play-Doh.
Not rubbing it on me. Why she rubbing it?
It's so.
Bruh, what is this?
I hate Play-Doh, John.
All of these got like
no,
a
I don't
certain.
like those.
Yeah, these got like a. They all got like a bang to
It
it.
smells like grass.
I smell this one. Oh,
Oh no, she put it on your nose, John.
word. All right, Molly. I ain't trying to be smelling these things all day and night.
Me either.
No, I'm sorry. So which one to do what? Because I'm trying to figure it out.
I think the two chicken because I think I lied with that.
I
teddy
think that
bear.
one. Wait, does yours don't have stuff, right?
No, this is good. I might not take this one.
Didn't you give me some samples, bro? Didn't you give me some samples? I'm confused.
This one's good. Oh, this has leaves in it, John. This has leaves in it.
That smells like Shake That.
It has leaves in it, look.
Smell like Shake That. I got a whole lot more than leaves, man. That's seaweed. You got the dookie stains in the store, not the leaves. This is a mask. You gonna put that on your face?
Yeah.
Eileen mad silly, bro.
Just get one of these.
She mad silly. I'm weak.
I think I'm gonna just get one of these.
Come on, buddy. This girl just got me to buy some $16 soap.
Thank you. Let's look at it, guys.
Oh! Say something else! Say something else, nigga!
Yeah,
It
let's
had
look
chrome
at
part in the front.
Oh, for real?
You didn't think that looked like chrome heart?
No, girl, you
Yes,
gassing
it
it
did.
up.
It didn't look like
Ain't
chrome
no
heart to you?
fucking chrome heart.
Y'all are gonna piss me off because it definitely did. I'm not piecing the soap together to show y'all either.
Right.
Talking about no.
You girls walking slow. Look at them, walking mad slow. Walking mad slow. That's downstairs. So I just caught myself buying a black nasty, y'all. Monty got me.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You picked
I
it
told
out
you not to get
and told
that.
me to put it on and everything.
No,
you
I
said, "Oh,
didn't.
that look good," and all of this.
No, I did not.
Yes, you
That was the
did.
last thing I said.
Bruh.
What'd you say?
Thank you. Have a good one. Quick store run, you know what I'm
They
saying?
stopped coming dates. Like, I want to remind her, like, they literally stopped coming dates because we just felt like it was so regular.
She just got some options in this car.
Like, why would you ever do that? I just touched it on your hand like, boy.
Right.
Mm,
But
to be-
hers, on the other hand,
And I said, I'll eat hers.
is hitting. I'm not gonna lie. Monty couldn't sit and wait for the mukbang, yeah. So she ate up all her food. Didn't even know we was doing the mukbang. But let me show y'all my food. This shit about to slap. Hold on, I'm gonna have to put you on. Sorry.
This rice is black.
Cut you out the camera, Monty. Cut you. Oh. Hold on, but let me show y'all the food.
No, that looks terrible, John.
This is about to slap. Mata. Say bye.
Whose mata is that slapping?
Say something else! Say something else, nigga!
She feeding the dog chicken, Chinese chicken at it. So now she feeding the dog. So now the dog is
That's right.
a cannibalist.
You be having me on him. Looking crazy because I just look like
Anything?
this rice was the best rice I just ate. Just now.
So, show me how to do it. Made that.
Look, I'm dropping shit. I gotta wipe the door. Oh my god.
On it. So I want to talk about what just happened in the mall. So
Embarrassing ass dogs.
So the dog, as soon as we got into the mall, the dog doodles on the floor.
Hold on. Hello.
Oh! Say something else! Say something else, nigga!
Muckabanga. Okay,
Let me not fling my hair in your food.
Right.
I'm gonna tie your old monkey ass up.
Okay. Not the hood, but
Please. Tell them.
So got into the mall, dog doodles on the floor.
Sadie. No.
Which all dogs do when they get into the mall.
Jawan used to be the one driving all around.
Yup. Wow.
Now I'm the one driving all around.
It's crazy how you get older and the roads
Why
switch.
did I just Jawan? Why did
My
I
thing is, why all these goddamn birds, folk? How do all
gonna-
these birds sitting here like sitting ducks?
And we getting some wind right here.
Oh yeah. They
Need that.
sitting ducks. Show me how to do it in the Maybach. Bro, any food I eat, it's a 10 out of 10.
No, it's not. That
Yeah.
looks disgusting.
Oh,
Oh! Say something else! Say something else, nigga!
Oh, you hate the food. Y'all seen the food. Tastes so good, make you want.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Don't it, Willie? Yeah, boy. Hey, mama. What the hell you want with? Everyone.
When I eat and my head's down, my head eats too. So I gotta be careful. That's why I have to eat like this. Pardon me.
Oh, looks so cold.